Now we're talking about the primary chord.
Mm-hmm.
So the first it's the chord built on the primary chord. The chord built on the first, fourth, and fifth degree of the scale.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for example, we're studying the C major scale.
Mm-hmm.
Which one is the first? This one, right?
C.
So this is C, and 4, and 5.
Mm-hmm.
So now we build a chord C, E, G.
Mm-hmm.
That's called one chord.
Mm-hmm.
Also, we call the C chord.
Okay.
Because it skip the name on the bottom. If the chord skip the root position.
Mm-hmm.
So there's another root position. So if the chord is skip, that's called root position. So name on the bottom. Okay. So this is called a C chord. So what this chord is F A C. So this is a 4. The number 4. Then this is called an F chord because it's skip. So this is F.
So root on the bottom.
Yeah, root on the bottom. So G is the 5th note.
So 5.
So this is G chord. Sometimes you do the 4 notes chord, G7. So what is the chord? Because you have 4 notes or this note, okay? So G, B, D. No matter child, a 3 notes chord or a 4 notes chord, but do all built on the 5th degree. So these 3 chords called primary chord. Yeah.
Okay.
So if we change the key, we change it to F major. We learned it before, right?
Mm-hmm.
F major. What is the primary chord? F major. So of course, the 1, right?
Yeah.
So
that's
1 chord is a F.
F, right.
4 chord is a B flat. So 5 chord is C chord. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now we talk about the C major. We'll go back to the C major, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So C major, C chord is a 1. But C, E, G can do inversion.
Mm-hmm.
You can do E, E, G, C. Okay, still the 3 notes. Still C chord.
Okay.
Because the three notes not changes, just a different arrangement. So E, G on the bottom, C to the top. So move the C to the top. So now you do the chord 1 4 1 4 1, right? So for the easier playing. So sometimes you miss why the bottom is the C, not called the C chord. No, this is the F chord. So if the root position, this is not a skip, this is inverted. Mm-hmm. So if the root position is F, A, C, actually the bottom is F, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
So this is a 1 4 1. Bum ba bum bum ba bum 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 bum. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so 1 4 5. So we talk a little bit more for chord inversions. So for example, this is the root position, right? Mm-hmm. Skip. If I move the bottom to the top, so this is the third interval. This is the 6th interval.
Right.
this is fourth interval, right?
Mhm.
Okay, make it bigger. So A, C. Sorry, this is A, C, F. Okay. This is the third. This is the fourth. So when you do the inversion, there's another way to find the name, easier way. If the name always on the top of fourth interval, so these two are fourth interval, so this is the top note of the fourth interval. So this is A, so it's called A. Sorry, this is F. This
so
F is
F
called
chord.
F chord because it's too bigger. We miss the step.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's hard. This treble called
So
F. Sorry.
so it's
So,
like the fourth interval.
Yeah. So we do the second inversion. So this is C F A. Okay. C. Oh, sorry. Make another C F A. That's second inversion. Second inversion, we find the interval first. So this is the fourth interval, right? So this is the third interval. We said all name always on the top of the fourth. So this is the fourth interval. This is the name. This is still A. Sorry, this is still
So
F.
Yeah.
F chord. So F chord because this is F. This is F. So if the chord is inverted, so the name always on the top of the fourth interval. If the root position is name on the bottom.